If you see an action required message on your Google Pay account, it usually indicates that there's an issue that needs your attention. Follow these steps to resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your email. Look for any emails from Google Pay regarding your account. They may provide specific details about the issue that needs to be addressed. Step 2. Open Google Pay app. Launch the Google Pay app on your device. Navigate to the notifications or alerts section to see if there are any additional messages or prompts related to the action required notice. Step 3. Verify your identity. If prompted, complete any identity verification steps. This may involve confirming your phone number or providing additional identification information. Step 4. Update payment information. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s-shock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after following the previous steps, reach out to Google Pay support for assistance. They can provide further guidance on resolving the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the action required message on your Google Pay account. If you continue to experience problems, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support.